of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan and honorable delegations, Yang Berhormat Datuk Sri Diraja Dr. Zamri Abdul Kadir, Minister of Higher Education Malaysia, Yang Berhormat Datuk Ahmad Fahmi Muhammad Fadil, Minister of Communication Malaysia, Minister in attendance, the Honorable President Tan Sri Rashid Hussain and Director of IIUM, Professor Osman Bakar, Your Excellencies, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. All praise be to Allah, and peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, his family and his companions. Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, as the constitutional head of IIUM, it gives me great honor to stand before you to confer the honorary doctorate in leadership and governance upon His Excellency Muhammad Shehbaz Sharif, the Prime Minister of the Islamic Republic of Pakistan. For more than 4 decades, Your Excellency has served with vision, discipline and compassion. From your leadership in Punjab to your role as Prime Minister, you have shown that true leadership is not about power, but about purpose.